How do we release the resistance that keeps us from achieving our goals, that slows us down from manifesting our innermost, deepest desires?
By deciding whatever your innermost desires are, define that, maybe write on a piece of paper, think of it always, and our mind will automatically start working in the direction in achieving this. Nature or God has given us enough capability to fulfill our goal. Problem is not in fulfilling our goal. Problem is that we as a human are very greedy. We keep changing our goals. Today, if you meet a businessman and he's not earning anything, he's making losses, ask him, what do you want? He says, I'll be very happy if I'm able to get about $5,000 a month. He starts working. Write down that goal. Start working and notice that it is getting fulfilled by the nature, by the God. Then he started getting those 5,000 in a year of hard work. And then does he stop there? No. Now he has chosen another goal. And that goal is now 10,000 or 15,000 or whatever. Another work starts. Your goals, nature always helps you to complete when you start working hard. And when you start working hard, there is a situation before then that, and that is decision making. There are few people who keep thinking that this is good, this is good, this is, but never make a decision to walk on the path. And a person who never makes a decision to walk on the path never walks on the path. The first point of walking on the path, whether on spirituality or in business, in administration, in management, in any field of life, is to make a decision. And theory of probability says that if you have made a decision, there are only two chances. You can succeed or you can fail. And so chances for getting success is 50% because there are only two chances: successful, failure. A person who has not decided to move on the path, he will always fail because no decision is made. The moment you decide to be on something, 50% of your work is done. For other 50%, you start working and you achieve it. After achieving, you do not remember your achievement. You want to achieve something different. You don't want to be even thankful to the works you have done, thankful to the people who were around helping you, achieving your goal and target, thanking God who has helped you achieve your goal and target. You move to the next target even before thanking the surrounding, the people, the God and everything, which is definitely not good. Anyone who want to achieve something, write on the page of paper, make a decision, start working for it, and will achieve it. And after achieving, before taking and making the next goal, please appreciate surroundings, nature, God, and everyone who has helped you achieve that. Thank you.